xAI recently launched the Grok code fast 1 model, and many people have really liked it, especially since it gives fast response for very less price. Now they have got an official update. They have said now available for free on GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Sline, Kylo Code, Row Code, Open Code, and Windsurf. So they have literally gone everywhere from extensions till entire IDEs. This particular model is available for free. So in the official tweet, what they have mentioned is, if I scroll down till the end, they have said for the next 7 days, Grok Code Fast 1 is available for free on all the major popular platforms like Cursor, GitHub, Copilot, the stuff that I read above. So in case probably everyone would be having at least one of this, so it will be available for you for free for next 7 days. So in case if you're going to vibe code, make use of this model. It's literally priced at 20 cents per million input tokens and $1.50 for a million output tokens. That's so dead cheap, like even you can like pay it and use it. So I tried in my Cursor, it will ask you for an update, and as you can see I'm having Grok code 1 fast, so you can just like try it out. So that's basically it, guys. This is that update that I want to give you. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.